Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and I have a quick and easy one for you today. I have actually gotten many requests on how to make a balsamic glaze. It really couldn't be easier. It takes 2 ingredients, a little bit of time, and you got yourself a delicious balsamic glaze that can be used for many different types of recipes. So all you're gonna need is 2 cups of a good balsamic vinegar, and you're gonna add it to a saucepan. And then you're going to add to that half of a cup of brown sugar. You're going to just go ahead and get that in and stir it all around. It just kind of thickens up the balsamic so that it kind of sticks to whatever you're cooking and is a little bit more versatile, you know, if you're going to do a drizzle or something like that. So this is also kind of a balsamic reduction. So if you're seeing a recipe that calls for that, you can use this simple one as well. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is. You're going to bring your balsamic and your sugar to a nice boil and then lower down your heat to low. You're going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes until it sticks to your spoon and is nice and thick. If it's not sticking to your spoon, just go ahead and cook it for a few minutes longer. Once it's nice and sticky, that's it. You have yourself a balsamic glaze or a balsamic glaze reduction. Make sure you subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking. Would love to chat with you there. I also answer questions there, so go ahead and hit me up, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.